I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some word problems on ratio. A traffic light has the following repeating pattern. It is green for 44 seconds, yellow for 5 seconds and red for 26 seconds. During a 1 hour period, how much total time will the light be green? This is what you need to find. So let's use the ratios. We know the light pattern is green, and then it's yellow and red. It is green for 44 seconds, right? It's 44 seconds, yellow for 5 seconds, and red for 26 seconds, right? So all this is in seconds. So if I add them all, how many seconds do I get? This is first thing we should know about, right? So let me add them all. So we have 44 plus 5 plus 26. 75 seconds, right? So this means total time of 75 seconds. So that is the cycle time, right? This is cycle time in seconds, 75 seconds. So in 75 seconds, it is 44 seconds green, 5 seconds yellow, 26 seconds red, and that is kind of the ratio we're talking about, correct? Now the question is, during a 1 hour period, how much total time will the light be green, right? So during 1 hour. So what you can do is, you know what is 1 hour equals to? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes times 60, right? So those many seconds, is that okay? So in now 1 hour, there are 60 times 60 seconds, correct? Now if in 75 seconds, it is green for 44 seconds, right? So the ratio here is, in 75 seconds, it is green for 44 seconds, correct? So we need to find that in so many seconds, which is 60 times 60, how long will it be green, right? So how long will it be green? So that we don't know. So this is what we need to find. So that is how the ratio thing is, right? Now to find this value of G, we could actually cross multiply, correct? So we can find G as equals to 60 times 60 times 44 divided by 75, right? So this is the total time in seconds. So this is the time which we are talking about in seconds. What we can also do is, you can divide by 60 to get minutes, correct? So we can do that later. So let's find this value first. So what do we get? We get 60 times 44 divided by 75 equals to 2112. So we get 2112 seconds, right? So that is the time in seconds. We could also write this as 2112 divided by 60, the time in minutes, okay? In 1 hour, so many minutes. It makes sense, right? So we'll divide this by 60 to write it in minutes, which is kind of 35.2 minutes, right? So that is approximately 35 minutes, right? So you could say 35 minutes, right? So that is the time green will be on in an hour's time. Now as an exercise, what you can do is, can you tell me how many minutes and how many seconds will this be? So when I say 35.2 minutes, you have to write how many minutes and how many seconds it should be. It is clear it is full 35 minutes. Now 0.2 minutes means how many seconds? Well, that's an exercise, and here is a hint, rather the answer for you now. 0.2 times 60, right? So that is 12 seconds. I hope you got it right. So that is 12 seconds. So you could also write the answer as 35 minutes 12 seconds or 2112 seconds. So both are good enough answers. This is not a very good answer. So we will do this conversion, correct? And we should write our answer kind of like this. I hope you understand and appreciate how we have done this question. Now, as an exercise, what you can do is you can find for how long will it be yellow in an hour's time, right? So that could be a question for you to do. Thank you and all the best.